it's automatically deploy, and it gives me a congratulation. You just deploy a new project to the Bhumik Goel projects. My name is Bhumik Goel, and today I'm gonna show you how we can deploy our application on live site. Yesterday I created the AI agent for YouTube. So let me open that. So first we open the anti-gravity. First we follow these steps. Let me zoom this. So first anti-gravity and existing project. So first I open the anti-gravity, already open the anti-gravity, and open the existing project. Create GitHub repo. First we need to create, so we can also see the how to create GitHub repo. Then go to the Vercel. Vercel is a platform, I already told you. Then link GitHub repo to Vercel, and verify our application. So first of all, we open the our existing project. So my existing project is AI agent for YouTube. I already upload that video for AI agent for YouTube, how we can generate our content by using AI agent, and it gives the SEO friendly content. So our application is now opening, and it's open here. The second step is create GitHub repo. So I create GitHub repo for this AI agent. So let me open my GitHub account. I already sign in with GitHub. This is my GitHub account, and I also publish my different agent over here. Go to the repository and create a new repository by clicking on the new button. And let me give C YouTube AI agent, and how it's works. So it is, so now it's fine, right? So simply gives a simple description for your repo. So end user whenever visit your repo, then easily identify that repo, and simply click on create repository. If you create the private repo, you can also create a private repo, and simply copy this link, your GitHub repo link. That is my, I already copied that, and go over here and simply write one prompt. Please push code to my, and GitHub repo link. Simply gives the this prompt. Please push code to my, and after that, after my, gives your GitHub repo link, and hit enter. Okay, so now it's identify your GitHub repo, it's publicly or privately, and then after the, it's publishing your fully project to the your GitHub repo. So let them create and push to the GitHub repo. It's a very easy to push your fully project on a GitHub repo, and there is a no any rocket science. Simply click run. Now it will run the GitHub commit, initial commit, and also it's commit to the main branch. If it automatically identify your branch name and everything, simply you gives a GitHub repo link and push the simple prompt, give to the your agent. Now it will automatically created or push the code into your GitHub repo. Simply I click on the accept all, and let me open or refresh my GitHub. So simply click over here and refresh it. Yes, now my project is fully uploaded over here. There is a no readme file. So let me generate the readme file for my project. Simply gives the prompt generate readme.md file for my project, and also add graph. Uh, it's a read.md file means md means markdown file. It's a specific plain text file with define the format on that, and it will generate the readme.md file based on the our project, and then that file I will push to my GitHub repo. So whenever end user come to that repo, it will easily identify or easily understand the flow of my project. Simply run accept all, and it's automatically pushed that readme.md file to my GitHub repo. You can see over here. Let me go to the my current. Yes, it's already uploaded on readme.md file over there. So minimize and refresh it. And yes, it's a generated readme MD file. You can see over here. It's also generated the YouTube content generation for local AI, because and also gives the prompt to generate the graph. So it's generated the graph also. It gives me how we can prerequisite and installation steps also. So you can use whenever you use this app, you can easily follow that step and perform that step on your system. So it's automatically uploaded over here. And now our third step is a go to Vercel. Vercel is a platform where we can push or publish our code, GitHub code. So our GitHub code store in a GitHub repo, and Vercel gives the platform to run our GitHub code over there. So that is a Vercel. So let me open the Vercel site first. Vercel. Okay. And I've already signed up with Vercel, and there is so many project uploaded into my Vercel project. Simply, I click on the add new. So simply click on the project, and yes, currently 3 minutes ago, simply click on the import. Whenever I click on the input, it will automatically link my repo with Vercel. So simply click on Vercel, gives your site name. It's a root directory. Click on the deploy. Whenever you click on the deploy, it will automatically start deploying your application. So click on deploy. Sometimes we get the error while deploying, so we can also resolve that. And if there is a no error, then it will automatically deploy successfully. Yes, so there is a no error getting, so it's automatically deploy, and it gives me a congratulation. You just deploy a new project to the Bhomik Goel projects. So Bhomik Goel is my name, and I already push continue to dashboard and go to the dashboard. Over here, it's a generates the Vercel application link. Simply copy that application link and paste whatever you showcase your project or showcase your directory, showcase your portfolio to end user. So let me open that application. Yes. So my YouTube content AI agent is automatically open over here, and simply gives the prompt, let we test our agent working fine or not. To our agent working now, and it will generate the content for us based on the given prompt. Yes, now it's a generated content based on our prompt. So it generates a video title, SEO tags, hashtag also, thumbnail prompt, also generates the script for us, and also generates the description. So our application deploys successfully on Vercel. Hope so you understand the full flow or path how we can deploy our application on Vercel. And yes, that's the thing. If you like this video, please like it and share with your friends or your colleagues. You can deploy any application on Vercel. but there is some issue with the Vercel application. Issue is that whenever it deploy, that times it gives the error. So you have to resolve that error by using AI. So please, I hope you like this video and get some knowledge about the Vercel. And also, please, I request you to, I hold my hand to you. Please subscribe my channel. We will gives you premium content for future. Also gives the unique content on this application. Please like this video, share with your friends, family, and please subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon, because of whenever you click on that bell icon, that times you get notification of my video. Thank you.